Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about the question and answers of the lesson The Pied Piper of Hamelin. Okay. The first question is, what was the city of Hamelin filled with? You know, children, the city of Hamelin was filled with the rats, right? So write it down. The city of Hamelin was filled with the rats. The city of Hamelin was filled with the rats, right? Why did the mayor refuse to pay the piper? So, why did the mayor refuse to pay the piper? ಅವನಿಗೆ ದುಡ್ಡು ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಒಪ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಲ್ಲ? Because, write it here, the mayor refused to pay the piper because he was greedy. Right? What happened when the piper played another tune? So when the piper played a tune, what happened there? So all the children came running out and followed him into the mountain, right? So write it here, when the piper played another tune, all the children came running out and followed him into a mountain, right? Next question, exercise 3, read and answer. So here in this story, the events are there. The events of the story are there and they are jumbled up. Means avu incorrect way dalli idav. So you have to make it in the correct way by reading the sentences here. So which one will be the reading this? Which one will be the first? Which one will be the second? Which one will be the third? You have to mention it. So the first one is, once upon a time, the city of Hamelin was filled with the rats, right? Next, second one is, the piper took out his pipe and started playing a merry tune. So this is the second one. Next, third one is, all the rats came running out of the houses. So this is the third one. Fourth one is, the mayor was greedy and refused to pay the money. Fifth one is, the piper played at another tune and took all the children away. So this one is the fifth one. So this is the order of the story. So you have to make numbers like this. Why did the Pied Piper take the children away? Do you think it was the right thing to do? Why? So here, why the Pied Piper take all the children from him? All the children he took away, right? Why did he do so? Why did he did so? So, do you think it was the right thing to do? Why? Okay, we have to write the answer as the greedy mayor. The greedy mayor refused to pay the Pied Piper, right? The greedy mayor refused to pay the Pied Piper. The money. He promised. So the greedy mayor was refused to pay the money, that is, which the Pied Piper. The greedy mayor refused to pay the Pied Piper the money which he promised. So the mayor was not providing the money, right, children? So the Pied Piper took the children. So the Pied Piper took the children away to teach a lesson to the mayor. So, do you think it was the right thing to do, and why? They have asked. Yes, it is a right thing to do. Write it here. Yes, it is a right thing to do. It is a right thing to do because the mayor didn't keep his promise. I will write it here, children. The mayor didn't keep the promise he made. You just write it out, write it here only. I have written here. Okay. Next one. If you were the mayor, would you have kept your promise? Why? So, new mayor agidre, what action you are going to do? Either you are going to keep the promise or not. You have to answer for this question. So, this is the homework for you. If you didn't get it, I will answer it. Okay. So, this is all about the today's class. Thank you.